Today we are here in the garden and we are going to be picking some of our zinnias. Zinnias are by far one of my favorite summer flowers. They blossom all summer long and they come in a variety of different pinks and oranges and just all these beautiful colors, and their petals are just perfectly symmetrical and just perfect. What I find fascinating is how these flowers have not only survived but thrived in our intense Arizona heat, specifically in our Zone 9B climate. So last year I planted these zinnias, and to my surprise they ended up reseeding themselves, emerging this summer with even more blooms, creating a colorful spectacle in our garden. I want to share with you what I've learned after doing some research as to how this happened and why zinnias are perfect for hot climates. So let's get started. So what I found out are zinnias are annuals that can easily reseed themselves. After blooming, their seeds drop into the soil, lying dormant until conditions are just right. Here in Arizona, the warm soil and occasional monsoon rains create the perfect environment for these seeds to germinate. You might wonder how these delicate-looking flowers survive our scorching 110+ degree weather. Well, zinnias are remarkably heat tolerant. They love full sun and dry conditions, making them ideal for our Arizona climate. In order to help them thrive, I run my drip irrigation system to them about once a day for about 10 minutes. This encourages the roots to grow deeper and also makes them more resilient to the heat. Zinnias are not only beautiful to look at, but they also attract pollinators like the butterflies and bees into our gardens, providing a healthy garden ecosystem. And also their long-lasting blooms make them perfect for cut flower arrangements. I sometimes don't want to pick the flowers because I feel like it adds so much beauty to the garden. Sometimes you just want to bring your garden inside, and this is a perfect way to enjoy your garden both indoors and outdoors. So if you're looking for a low maintenance, high impact flower, I highly recommend you give zinnias a try. They are not just survivors, but thrivers in our Arizona garden. Alright guys, well that is all for today's video. We got our lovely bouquet of zinnias. I cannot wait to put these into a vase and just enjoy them for inside. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!